Man, I wish I wouldn't have accidentally closed that short yesterday. Freaking was short right there. Getting punished now. Looks like we're heading down into some of these gaps back into this structure. Obviously, with it dumping as heavy as it is, we would default more toward like a continuation. I'm gonna try a trade here. Let's see. It's dumping. I'm gonna take a small trade on this one, just one market order. Put my stop above the old high. I'm gonna target the stop down here. This one is gonna need some time, so I'm gonna keep my eyes right here on this US 30 trade. I'm wanting it to get a little bit closer to this range here. If we could take out one of these highs, I'll choke the stop up and be confident. This was actually a signal. I just saw that it got sent. Looks like we took a long on NQ too, so I popped in this trade, but signals are saying long. Let's see. 19,485 is where the bot got long at. Stop is at 19,448. TP is 19,559. So although I'm in the short, I'm gonna leave this TP or this setup up for you guys. That way you can decide which one it is that you want. The longs are actually looking nice right now. They're being supported. Only problem with that is, you know, on days like today when it's dropping real heavy, you know, we'll slow grind up and then, you know, one or two candles turn the whole thing back around. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. Get that down movement real fast.
Yo, what up, T?
Yo, what's going on, bro? Hey, we're back on the stream.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
We're not gonna be able to stream on Twitter. I'm gonna have to get the premium version of Twitter,
Okay.
and then we'll be able to stream.
Hell yeah. You got the wide long. Nice.
Yeah, I got long in this one, and then I saw the signal like maybe a couple minutes later, and I was like, okay, sweet. And then I took a NASDAQ short, and it sent the long, so I marked out the long for the group, but I was already in the short, so I just left it.
Okay. Yeah, I made some updates to the VIP model. Basically, because like we had a weird instance today with on the 5 minute, where like it ran and then hit the limit order on the way back down. So I've updated if it runs 50%
Got you.
of the zone, it won't try to take the trade again.
Yeah.
So we won't have like what it did this morning where it got in on the long whilst it was dumping.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? So now it'll look, if it's run more than 50% of the zone, it'll just cancel it, it won't take the trade, it will wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
That signal's whooping my ass right now.
Yeah, bro. Can't fade your own system, man.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Dude, I went opposite of one of the swings. I think the numbers kind of got skewed. For exactly which one it was. Yeah, it had to be this one. Yeah, I was getting like a 30 to 50% win rate at this level. And I figured, okay, well, for stops down there, I know it's got about a 50 to 70% chance to get down there. There's not
Yeah.
much saying for the stop. You know, it could trade all the way up here and then trade back down and still give that trade. But I figured since we were dumping, but as soon as I got in, it stopped dumping and wanted to turn around. I was like, oh, shit.
Yeah. The other thing to keep in mind, the EOS futures contract has a massive gap between close of yesterday and the true open. So I don't know if I can't imagine they'll aggressively try to fill it today, but
Yeah.
I can imagine we'd be trying to get that level done by the end of the week at least.
Right.
But I don't know. That's just my guess.
Bro, the viewer difference is crazy. Like when we stream on YouTube, we get like 5, 10. When we stream on Twitter, we have like 20, 30.
Yeah, because there's not a lot of people streaming on Twitter. That's why.
Yeah.
But there is a lot of like finance guys on Twitter.
Ooh. We just got approved for TikTok Live.
Oh shit.
Take a screenshot of this. Nice. So that means we're about to be on TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter.
Right.
Oh, bro. we just live streamed 24 hours, turn the bot on.
Dude, you know what's funny? I was actually thinking about that last night.
Yeah.
I was like, try catch the bot trades. It's just a 24-hour stream.
Right.
You gotta sit there and try catch them.
Mm-hmm. We would just need like some type of countdown on like the time-based ones.
Yeah. But yeah, the bot's working great. Like, I wasn't even like I had it set to start running at like 3 in the morning,
Uh-huh.
and I wasn't even at my desk. Like, I didn't even have my computer on. And I was getting emails. I was taking trades.
Okay, good. So you don't even have to have
Using
like full
the trail
connectivity.
stop system. No, yeah, the trail stop system was working. It's doing exactly what it should do.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
Moving on up, man. We'll just keep it pushing.
Yep.
You know what it was with my Streamlabs ID?
What was it?
Bro, I literally had no Streamlabs ID.
That makes sense.
It was through YouTube.
Okay. Gotcha.
I was like, wow, I feel like an idiot. But that didn't make sense to me. I was like, why would, at least beforehand, before they told me, I was like, why would I go to YouTube to log in for Streamlabs? We're still alive.
Man, Price is just teasing us over here, huh?
Yeah, we need something to happen.
I'm long, you're short, and somehow we're both wrong.
Cue that, you know that SpongeBob meme where he has the rainbow? The market. You could go long and short at the same time and both be wrong.
Yeah, no, literally. But I mean, I think it's always tricky, you know. NQ's down 2.2%. You know, like how much room does it really have to go from here?
Yeah.
You know, I've only ever seen, I think the worst I've seen is 3.5%, but that was on like some crazy news.
Yeah.
And it was only ever once. You know, on a really bad day, I only normally ever see around 2.5, 2.7.
Yeah. I would think that large investors are still pretty calm about the market.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
for sure.
I think that I don't know, man. Especially with Trump, I feel like there's something he's like tied to the market now with his freaking tweets
I
from years
know,
ago.
I
So
know.
it's like when you hear that, you think bullish.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah, US 30's not doing much. I am gonna go ahead and move this stop. I don't think it's worth it to hold it that far, especially if it's gonna be moving that slow and just be
Yeah,
sitting all day to get down there.
literally, literally.
I'll probably take the break even if they give it to me on US 30. Um, Nasdaq's finally moving.
Yeah, looks like we need to get stop cuts in on Nasdaq.
I'm also gonna chop this stop down a little bit. If we uh if we come back up here, I'm just gonna be thinking consolidation or that the timing is a little bit off.
Yeah,
And US 30, I'm okay with taking a loss. I just want to take a small one. If it gets down, so mark out the order block. If it gets down to this order block and we don't get a reaction at 50%, then I'm okay with taking a small loss.
yeah, makes sense.
Whew.
Yeah, I'm stopped out on Thursday.
It be like that.
Indeed, it does. Yeah.
It's all right. I'm still in Nasdaq. I'm not doing much better.
Just one of those days, man.
Yeah. Hey, we got a good response here in US 30, so hopefully that'll be the catalyst push us higher.
Yeah.
If not, I'm completely okay with getting stopped out here now because we've got the response I wanted, so I have no need for my stop to be down in here.
Yeah, no, for sure.
No need for all that extra risk. And I'm just kind of seeing this, you know. We left that current daily low with these huge gaps, and we kind of chopped in here, and it just sat still. I was thinking we'd try to get up here. This is that break-even point here on this signal.
Right.
But yeah, you could already see it's freaking coming right back against it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe we take another leg down.
Yep.
ES has got quite a key level at 55.0275.
Yeah, that's man.
So I'm wondering if they don't want to pop that first before we get a reaction in the other two.
Yeah, at the beginning.
There's nothing else that I can see for Nasdaq to run that's within reasonable distance.
Yeah, at the beginning of the session, I was just saying we're most likely going to be looking for like breakout models.
Yeah.
Just because it's more of a continuation type environment, you know. But even the breakout models are just getting a little choppy.
Yeah.
We've got a reversal model.
I think it's a thing of like, I think that's the thing to keep in mind, just in general. You know, if you come into the markets and it's down 2%, like, you know, that's an unusual day.
Yeah, your reversals will probably work like 10-20%.
Yeah, so even when you're taking signals and everything, like, you want to cut your size down considerably because, you know, it's an outlier day.
Mm-hmm.
What are you listening to there, too?
It's a little too loud.
No, I was wondering what you were listening to.
I'm listening.
Normally, I could never hear any background stuff.
Oh, it must have been the angle because I had my phone in my hand. It's usually like up on my desk.
That's funny.
I'm listening to Big Pokey, bruh.
Oh, shit.
Bro, because I do have to keep the music off the stream because especially when I stream to YouTube, bro, they'll copyright strike me for like stuff that like is in the background sometimes, you know?
Yeah.
Damn. Definitely gonna reduce that stop. Wow. Let's go, US 30.
Yeah. US 30 saving my bacon today.
Saving the
Seriously.
bacon. Well, we're already at break even pretty much, so no need to move to break even now.
You know, it's funny. That bounces off the 300 line.
Yeah. That's it.
So,
You
like,
talking about US
with that
30?
modification, yeah.
Yeah.
So, like, with that modification that I made, where on the 75 or of the first trade line, if it runs more than 50%, it won't take the trade.
Mm-hmm.
So, with that modification now, what we would have gotten, or we'll got in the future, is we would have had a long
Mm.
off the bottom there, and we wouldn't have got that initial long that we got stopped out on.
Yeah.
So, we would have had a long on the macro and the rink-a-dink.
I'm gonna take a little bit off this just because we are a little choppy today.
Yeah.
Just closed US 30 technically. So I'm one step ahead of the signals, man. I'm doing something right. Damn, this mug is running. Oh my gosh, who did that? That was funny. Caught me off guard. Marcus, was that you?
Yeah, it's always freaking Marcus.
I know.
You know who Marcus is.
I have no idea.
I don't think you ever met him. He worked with me and Bryson at Kima.
Oh man, that's funny.
Yeah, it's part of the Kima gang.
Kima gang.
He's kind of ugly though, so I don't know.
Okay. I'm gonna take one more off of this one. Now I'm gonna leave it and I'm gonna walk away. And I'm going to close this NASDAQ. Boom. So this was the original target. It's gone now, all the way down here. But we started getting some pullback, and I'm not going to be on the charts that much longer. I would have at least taken a partial, but I only did one contract just because I was kind of just testing the waters on that one. And it felt weird taking a long and a short.
Right.
Long on US 30, short on NASDAQ. But anyway, that is going to be it for me today. It was a shorter session, but finally got some movement, and we were positioned right to capitalize on it. Does anyone in the Discord have any last minute questions? Y'all are real quiet this morning. Every time Brandon's not here, it's super quiet. Brandon, if you're listening, we need you in here, bro. Come back.
Yeah, we're gonna send him a message and like, listen, dude.
It can't be this awkward in the stream every day. We need you.
So we got inflation data on Friday. That's gonna be an interesting one.
Oh, really?
Yep. And then FOMC next week, Wednesday, along with non-farm payrolls that Friday. So it's gonna be a fun week.
Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. Watch this video. Here, I gotta. Can y'all see this?
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
Hell no.
Bruh. A whale jumped on the damn boat. What? Oh, that was sinking too. It flipped it.
Yeah, no. I don't need to be doing any of that.
That's pretty wild.
T, I'm gonna send you those images tomorrow morning.
Okay.
I forgot about them today, but I'll send you that link for the free one. So
Okay.
guess we'll see in a day or two if they deactivate it, but I think it'll be okay the way we've done it now.
Yeah, it should be. I mean, we haven't got any issues with the other ones.
Yeah.
What was I looking up? Yeah, looking up the treasury auctions. Today's the 24th. We had some yesterday. None today. We have some tomorrow. Let's see how many billions is going out tomorrow.
Couple B's.
Billions and billions and billions. Let's see. We've got 69.6 billion, 67.6, 73.2. That's like 20 billion going out. Or 200, excuse me. 200 billion.
Jeez.
So tomorrow should be a good day. Should be a lot moving. Look,
Yep.
and now freaking that's just the nature of the market. US 30's pulling back toward entry, and so is NASDAQ.